William Kunstler, born in 1919, a radical and courageous civil rights attorney and activist dedicated to dismantling systemic racism, discrimination, and injustice in the law. An alumni of Yale University and Columbia Law School, his career was dedicated to defending socially marginalized individuals, many of whom were civil rights activists. The tone of Kunstler's career took form with the defense of William Worthy Jr., an African-American civil rights activist and journalist unlawfully arrested upon his return from Cuba. Kunstler's work continued with the defenses of Martin Luther King Jr., mafia leader John Gotti, the Freedom Riders activists, members of the Black Panthers, and most famously the Chicago 7. Not only did Kunstler defend civil rights activists, but he fought for civil rights and participated in protests linked to the issues he represented in court. As his legal career progressed, his socio-political beliefs transformed, and in his book, My Life as a Radical Lawyer, Kunstler described his metamorphosis from a liberal to a radical, from civil rights to black power, from protest to militant dissent. Incensed by the deeply rooted systemic racism in America, Kunstler worked not only to defend his clients, but to bring down the systems of discrimination and injustice they endured. He was reputed for opening his summations by reciting poetry, and for his outlandish presence in the courtroom, which on one occasion led to 24 counts of contempt of court and a prison sentence, a charge that was later reversed. Kunstler endured threats and harassment on account of his clients and political position, but he did not waver. At the height of his radicalization, Kunstler took on even more controversial cases, defending Islamic and African-American clients against homicide charges. And his legal work, his writings, his beliefs, and his actions were thoroughly transgressive and called out the irony of discriminatory legal proceedings and all that was unjust in the justice system. In his own words, "This is New York, and there's no law against being annoying." William Kunstler